कर्नाटका से श्री H.K. पाटिल अपने अनुभवों को हमारे साथ साझा करेंगे। कर्नाटका राज्य को स्टेट डेवोल्यूशन अवार्ड में तृतीय स्थान प्राप्त हुआ है। आप सभी से अनुरोध है, कृपया आप ये सुनिश्चित करें कि आपका ग्रुप डिस्कशन समय पर प्रारंभ होगा। आप ये पता कर लें अपने नोडल ऑफिसर से कि आप किस समूह में किस विषय पर आपको चर्चा करना है। माननीय केंद्रीय ग्रामीण विकास एवं पंचायती राज मंत्री जी मंच पर उपस्थित हैं। आप सभी से अनुरोध है, अपने स्थान पर बैठ जाएं, शांति बनाए रखें।
Honorable Minister for Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, Chaudhary Birendra Singh Ji, Honorable Minister Mr. Nihal Chand Ji, Vijayanand Ji, distinguished ministers of various states, secretaries of Panchayat Raj and rural development of various states, presidents and representatives of Jilla Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and Gram Panchayats. Friends, at the outset, let me convey my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chaudhary Birendra Singh Ji for his initiative and interest he has taken to celebrate this Panchayat Raj Day, Panchayat Raj Divas, as such a great event. He has not only made this program, but through the Prime Minister, he has made a message to reach all of us to celebrate in our Panchayati area. As Prime Minister was mentioning, someday to be celebrated as a village birthday-like thing. The Panchayat Raj Divas is the day which we can choose as birthday of every village panchayat and start celebrating them as birthday. In fact, the Prime Minister's message was of great inspiration to all those who are working in Panchayat Raj system. The need of the day today is to plan and plan from the grassroots level and execute it timely. In fact, we are the luckiest to hear and know about the recent budgetary allocations, the way they are now being provided. A very special focus of Birendra Singh Ji and the department about planning. Vijayanand Ji was in Karnataka for a few hours and he has enlightened us, and I am fully convinced, and every one of us who will listen to the Panchayat Raj department today, the Secretary Vijayanand, how important the planning process is and how we can take our villages forward if we are able to formulate a developmental plan and execute it. Today our whole focus should be on improvement of quality of life of our rural people. In fact, we are all more bothered about creation of infrastructure. We are very particular about the funds to be brought to our panchayats and some activity to be done, some building to be constructed, some Kalabhavan to be constructed, Sabha Bhavan to be constructed, some temple to be constructed, some a big gate to be constructed. But all those infrastructures alone will not improve the quality of life of our villages. To improve the quality of life, we need pure drinking water to be provided. In Karnataka, after Mr. Siddaramaiah has taken over as Chief Minister, with his very special guidance, Shuddha Neeru is our top priority. Drinking water, we don't provide just drinking water. Our target is not giving just drinking water. Our objective will be to provide pure drinking water. This year, we have allocated in our budget for 4,000 units which will provide drinking water more than 2,000 liters an hour. Apart from drinking water, the next focus of Karnataka is on toilets and garbage cleaning. The cleanliness, Nirmal Gram, is our focus and priority. With all this, ultimately we are planning to provide what exactly is necessary for villages, village children, village elders, the playground, the thrashing field, the roads, the smashans, the water harvesting structures. These are our focus. Ultimately, Karnataka, we have pledged that we will make our grams, villages, as Vyajya Mukta, litigation free, as Tajya Mukta, garbage free villages, Vyasana Mukta, Pana Mukta, then Bara Mukta, drought free, then Bayalu Bahirdasya Mukta, open defecation free. This is our program. We are doing our best, and the encouragement, the guidance given by Birendra Singh ji, I only appeal to him. You have succeeded in getting more funds, but some of the programs may miss the very focus. NREG, I feel that more focus is to be given. Through NREG, many of our works in rural area, rural development will be really made still better. Any shortage or any reduction of budget for NREG will harm our development. Kindly take care of that, Biren Singh ji. With these words, I once again thank you and I congratulate you for the excellent arrangements you have made, the thought you have given to this. More than that, the way you are guiding us and encouraging us is really made us all happy. We are all grateful to you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.